So I use the 50 MA as a confluence to my trades. As you can see, I took a trade on Monday. I closed it out today at around 1:30. I'll pop up a screenshot right here. And I was able to use the 50 MA as a confluence into taking this winning trade. So I use the 50 MA as a support and resistance type of confluence. So I could show you an example right here where we see price had rejected, came above, broke below, came back, retested with that 50 EMA going right above price. What do we see? We see a push down on price. Now, I can show you right here, settings, exactly what I have. 50, close, 0, 5, SMA, right there. Now, the way I use it is a confluence. Do I need it to take a trade? No, I do not. I use it more as a added benefit to my trades. So we could see right here where price is above this 50 EMA, we see prices pushing up. Now, when price broke below this 50 EMA, what happened? We came down, we came back, retested not only the 50 EMA, but we also retested this previous level of support, now acting as resistance. Then what happened? We started to have that push down. Now, if I were to take this trade, my take profit would have been around right here. Reason being is if we look left, we see, hey, price has rejected. This would be an area where I'd like to target. When I took this trade, I used the 50 MA as a confluence. Did I need the 50 MA? No, I did not. But it gave me another reason to actually enter on this trade. So let's take a look at where price had previously been. We saw price had pushed up. We had a very, very strong rejection off of this area of interest where we had a push down, a push up. We had another kind of consolidation into that area of interest right here. We pushed above, we rejected, came down, entered that area. We slight break, but it didn't count. We had another push down, a push up. We finally came back down to this area. Now, I know some of you are asking, well, how come you didn't take your trade right here? Now, the reason I didn't take this trade, plain and simple, I was not on the charts. I just wasn't on the charts. I wasn't looking at AUD CAD at this time. It was Thursday, 7th of December. I just wasn't looking at it. But I was anticipating after I saw this on Friday, because I do every Friday, I mark up my charts for the following week, and I do a revamp of what I have traded for that entire week. I saw AUD CAD and I saw we had this push up. The most logical thing I had in mind was I will only take this trade if we can come back, retest this level again, and we have that 50 EMA right underneath price. Now you see 50 EMA isn't touching price, it's just underneath it. That's more than enough confidence in the 50 EMA to actually take the trade. Reason being is as long as price is above this blue line, this 50 EMA, we are buying. And when price is below this blue line, this 50 EMA, we are selling. Now, with support and resistance, with the break and retest strategy that I use, it is an added confluence. So now I have two reasons to actually enter this trade. I have previous resistance acting as support, and we also have that 50 EMA right underneath price, underneath this daily area of interest, this daily area of support. That just gave me that confidence. So I went down on the smaller time frame, and right here we actually see the 50 EMA is not underneath price. Where do we see the 50 EMA? We see the 50 EMA is above price. Now, I know some of you are asking, well, what do I do in a situation like this? I tend to believe that the weekly and the daily are way, 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 way stronger than the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, whatever. So if the 50 EMA is below price on the daily and the weekly, right here, what do we see? Right underneath price at that area of interest, daily, underneath price. That to me gives me confidence that, hey, look, that's a good level to be buying at. Plus, we also have what? the area of interest. We have a daily and weekly area of interest right here. That just gives me that extra confidence on actually taking the trade. So once I go into the smaller time frame, I get more in depth, more technical on why I actually enter my trade. I go down to the 1 hour. I enter based on this bullish engulfing with some market structure. Now, this is really, really important. What do we see? Price rejected this area, came down. I was in drawdown for quite a bit right here, entered in profit, drawdown, profit, drawdown. And then we had this big push up. I think the US dollar, the US government kept the interest rates the exact same. So this actually pushed the Australian dollar and actually pushed a lot other pairs. Like I know GU pushed up. Yeah, we had this big push on GU. That's actually what moved my trade to profit. What happened? What do we see? We see the 50 EMA is right underneath this real big push up. I know this was a short video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and tell me what you think. I will be posting more videos. This is one of my first ones, so I am trying to get better at this. All right. Thank you for watching. Later.